In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2016 through 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. To open this key fob, all you will need is a screwdriver. Your first step is to push the button and release the key. Once you have the key out, you can take the screwdriver, insert it into the hole where the key sits, and pop the key fob open. You'll want to remove the electronic board. The battery is located here. You may need to use your screwdriver to help pop the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply snap the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side down. Once you have the new battery back in, you can line the key fob back up, snap it back together, and your last step is to replace the key. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.